Hey, my lovely queens, welcome back here to another edition of Wendy Tutorials. Get ready with me. So, today I have a cold, so my voice is definitely going to be the best. Please bear with me. If you hear any noises, please ignore them. So, get into the whole process. I used milk of magnesium to prime my face, and then I go in with my eyebrows with a black eyeshadow, and I just fill in the ends as I make my way to the middle, and I go straight to concealing afterwards. And here I'm just putting some music, we can't be just silent. I know it's therapeutic being silent, but sometimes I just like listening to some music or a podcast of a book I'm reading or something like that. It really is soothing and calming. For the concealer, I place some on my eyelid, like a significant amount, and then that amount is what I use to clean my eyebrows. Then I bring it all down to the eyelid and blend it all out. Make sure your mirror is in a position where you can see clearly and do a good job. Do the best you can, be as neat as you can. For the top part, I use my foundation shade to clean the top part of my eyebrow, and my foundation shade is Cano in Jovia's Place foundation. I don't know where I bought it from, I can't remember, but it was quite some time and I still have it until now. I love the foundation so much. It has the best coverage and it stays all day. So I also set my eyebrows with some setting powder and also my eyelid. Then I set it again further with a pressed powder that is my shade. Then now I go in with my eyeshadow so that it can have a nice blend that is seamless and natural. So I use red here as my base, and I pack that all into my eyelid until I get the color pigment I want, and use a fluffy brush for this. Very fluffy. Anyway, use a fluffy brush for this, and then use a brush that has a thin mouth like this one that you can see to do your eyeshadow at the cut crease region. So I just used a brown shade on top of this, kind of looks red actually, and then I just darkened the outer corner of my eye with some black shadow. And make sure you take your time and you blend. Only put product where you want it to go. Don't go putting it and spreading. Black is a very dangerous color. It can change the look from 100 to 0 really quick. So I now do my eyeliner. I'm not doing a wing today, but just connecting it to the dark eyeshadow, and that already carves out your eye. So no need for wing liner if you're not professional in it or you haven't yet gotten the hang of it. You can stick to this other kind of looks. So I do the foundation on my face and I use a white brush, and then I go in with my concealer kama kawaida. You put just enough, not too much, not too little, and make sure you blend it out when you're looking upwards. That is how you'll get a good finish, and then tap it again with your foundation brush to make sure everything is blending, girl. Then for the eyes, we're gonna set it with some setting powder. Dab it behind your hand so that you remove all the excess product, and then tap and let it bake. For contour, I also use my contour, and I usually go above my cheekbones, just a little bit above, so that it can really define those cheekbones. And then I also do my jawline. Then I sweep off the excess powder and use my pressed powder to blend everything out to make it look seamless. For my under eyes, I also use the same shimmer eyeshadow and then blend it out afterwards with some red eyeshadow before adding my eyeliner. I feel like when I add my eyeliner and I go in, sometimes the look isn't as crisp as I want it to. That's why I finish off with my eyeliner last, so that I can get a very clean eye. Then I'll highlight my nose. I usually highlight just at the button and at the bridge very lightly, and blend it with your finger. Don't leave it there sitting and looking at you and shining to the gods, okay? And I also use on top of my lips. Really cute, I loved it. Let me show you guys the after look. I really love how these colors came together, and I feel like it was such a vibe. This is the before, by the way, no makeup. Cute still. This is the after with makeup. Yo. It did the job. It was doing what it was supposed to do. I understood the assignment. Bye.